Hi friends, good evening. This is Dr. Harinath Reddy, Director Shankaran AI Study Circle. In the third video relating to All India Judicial Service, we will consider the arguments in favor of creation of All India Judicial Service. So the first argument in favor of creation of All India Judicial Service is, as of now, in several states, the recruitment to the subordinate judiciary is done by the High Court and the State Public Service Commissions on ad hoc basis, and as a result there are a number of vacancies which are not filled in time, and even the quality of the judicial officers who are appointed is not up to the mark. So if there is an all India judicial service to which the judicial officers are appointed through an all India competitive examination, the best and the brightest can be attracted to this all India judicial service. This will improve the overall quality of both lower judiciary as well as the higher judiciary. So this argument is true provided, as I have already told you, the pay scale, the conditions of service and career advancement is not attractive. If that is addressed, if the pay scales are increased, if the service conditions are increased, if the career advancement is guaranteed, then definitely this All India competitive examination through which the All India judicial officers will be recruited will greatly help in increasing the efficiency of the overall judiciary in India. See, as I told you earlier, those people who are the best across the nation, if they are recruited to the subordinate judiciary, after having served in the subordinate judiciary as the judicial officer for not less than 10 years, they become eligible for the high courts. Subsequently, from the high court, they can be elevated to the Supreme Court. So if we can recruit the best talent to the subordinate judiciary through an all India competitive examination by attracting the best talent through improved pay scales, improved service conditions, improved career advancement, then as a chain reaction, the quality of the judiciary from subordinate judiciary to high courts and from high courts to the Supreme Court, the quality of the judicial officers will greatly improve, and this will greatly improve in the quality of adjudication and also the quality of dispensation of justice. But as I told you earlier, this is dependent upon making the subordinate judiciary attractive with better pay scales, with better service conditions and a better career advancement opportunities. Unless that is done, recruiting through an all India competitive examination will not help in attracting the best talent. So that's one first precondition. Then in addition to this, even the Supreme Court in several occasions, at least in 2 cases, has recommended for the establishment of All India Judicial Service. And recently, National Institution for Transforming India, that is the Niti Aayog, said that in this All India Judicial Service recruitment, there can be reservations for SC, ST, OBC, so that in the subordinate judiciary, we can ensure better representation to the marginalized communities. But the reality is, already in several states in the subordinate judiciary, there are reservations to SCs, STs, OBCs to the extent of 50%. Here, establishment of All India Judicial Service, making the lower judiciary or subordinate judiciary representative is not true, because already the subordinate judiciary is made adequately representative through the reservations in several states. So All India Judicial Service is not going to bring in a new change in this particular respect. But in the last several decades, despite recommendations for the establishment of All India Judicial Service, since independence, starting from the first Law Commission of India till recently by the Niti Aayog, there were several disagreements among different stakeholders, including the high courts, and in addition there is lack of consensus. So till the disagreements were narrowed down, till broader consensus is reached within the existing system, reform shall be taken up for increasing the efficiency with which the recruitments are done to the subordinate judiciary. This will be the way forward in the short run. Subsequently, in course of time, we can think about the establishment of an all India judicial service.